Today, I'm going to make a dragon fruit smoothie. And Happy New Year! Singing choir. So we have 4 ingredients. We have a banana, a dragon fruit, also known as pitaya, cream, honey. The dragon fruit is from a cactus. Pitaya is another name for dragon fruit from Mexico. Don't do this unless you have a parent with you. Now that I've cut it in half, let me show you inside. This is what's inside the dragon fruit. It's all purple and also has seeds. Now we scoop the dragon fruit out. I got 1 big scoop and put it in the blender. Yeah! Very mushy like baby food, as I always say. We're going to take this thing out. Now it's in a smaller bowl. I'm going to put cream, honey, and banana. And if you want, you can use yogurt instead of cream. In this case, we don't have yogurt, so we're using cream. Now I'm going to do cream. That should be enough. Now I'm going to do a bit of honey. Ah, the honey smells so nice. Ooh. Now banana. And 1 more. There we go. Now I'm going to eat it. Yum. Mix it around. Tastes delicious.